bonus reading for June the 14th to June the 15th, Earth signs. Your cards are the Two of Charisma, the Emperor, and the Six of Strength. So mapapansin natin talaga na siguro hindi engaging si person nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, or buwan. Pero ngayon nagkakaroon siya ng structure. Nagkakaroon siya ng parang format, no, dito sa connection ninyo. Parang nakikita na rin natin na medyo nag-i-invest na rin si person. So nagsisimula na siya, no? Or nagsisimula na siya uli na magkaroon ng interest dito sa connection natin. Medyo tinamad with the Four of Intelligence and the Knight of Strength. So ngayon, yung parang nag-evolve, no, itong nararamdaman ni person sa'yo. Actually, with the Knight of Strength, meron ditong galaw ng yung movement ng inyong energy. Pakiwari ko nga kung meron mang naging challenges dito or misunderstanding, medyo paayos na ito. The Six of Strength is actually a good news. Pwedeng siya yung mag-ayos nitong relationship ninyo, no, para magkaroon kayo ng harmony. So this is your bonus reading for June the 14th to June the 15th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.